Hello children, how are you all? How was your test? I hope you all did your best in your test. Children, hope you all got your timetable and now you receive your videos according to the timetable. According to the timetable, we will meet on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday in EVS class. So today is Tuesday, so I welcome you all in my class. In the last video, we have discussed about seeds and its germination process. And in the last video, our explanation part is complete. Now, this is the time for question answer and exercise. And you all note down this question answer and exercise in your classwork notebook. So, first we do match the following. You all write the heading, match these foods with their origin. Make two columns, A and B. A, in the side of A, you write first South America, and the answer of South America is tomato, potato, green chili. Second, Europe, cabbage and pea. Third, Africa, coffee bean, green bhindi. And India, mango, orange and banana. Next, fill in the blanks. Here some clues are here. You can see here George, Mistral, cumin, pitcher, dandelion, South Africa. You fill these in this question. First is the dash plant eat insect. Right answer is pitcher. Pitcher plant eat insect. Second, George Mistral is the inventor of Velcro. George Mistral is the answer. Third, chilies were brought to India by traders coming from South Africa. Answer is South Africa. Next, cumin and black pepper are the seeds used as spices. Spices means masale. Cumin is the right answer. And last is dandelion seeds can fly from one place to another. Answer is dandelion. Next, make the drawing of sprouted chana. Here two drawings are here. You draw this in your left side. It means blank paper. Next question, give two examples of each. First, seeds that are used as spices in your home. ऐसी सीड्स जो आपके घर में कैसे यूज की जाती है एज अ स्पाइसेस, मसाले के रूप में. आंसर इज एनी सीड्स, क्यूमिन, ब्लैक पेपर. नेक्स्ट, सीड्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स. कुछ ऐसी वेजिटेबल्स जिनकी सीड्स को हम यूज करते हैं. आंसर इज काउपी, ग्रीन पी एंड पम्पकिन. नेक्स्ट, सीड्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स, मेलन सीड्स, पोमीग्रेनेट सीड्स. नेक्स्ट, लाइट सीड्स जो बहुत हल्की होती है. आंसर चिया सीड्स, सीसेम सीड्स एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, सीड्स विच आर फ्लैट. आंसर इज अनियन सीड्स, फ्लैक्स सीड्स एंड सनफ्लावर सीड्स. This is the exercise. Now question and answer. First question, what things are soaked before cooking in your house? Why? Why you soak things? We have discussed in the chapter. Following things are soaked before cooking in my house. rice and dal for lesser cooking time. If we soak them, it takes lesser time. Second point, whole grain for germination into sprouts. स्प्राउट्स बनाने के लिए हम उनको क्या करते हैं, सोक करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट थिंग्स डू यू ईट आफ्टर स्प्राउटिंग? हाउ आर दे स्प्राउटेड? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आप स्प्राउटिंग करके मतलब स्प्राउट करके खाते हैं और वो कैसे स्प्राउट की जाती हैं? वी ईट होल ग्रेन लाइक हॉर्स ग्राम, इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ब्लैक चना, ग्रीन ग्राम, chickpea, etc. after sprouting. They are sprouted by soaking overnight, hang them tied in wet cloth. Next question, why should we eat sprouts? हम sprouts क्यों खाते हैं? We should eat sprouts as they are packed with vitamins and minerals and they provide many health benefits. Next question, why did Gopal's mother tie the chana in a damp cloth? गोपाल की जो मदर थी उन्होंने चने को डैम्प क्लोथ मीन्स गीले कपड़े में क्यों बांधा था? आंसर, गोपाल्स मदर टाइड चना इन अ डैम्प क्लोथ फॉर मेकिंग स्प्राउट्स. उसको क्या बनाने के लिए करा था? स्प्राउट्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, when you spilt the whole masoor, you get masoor dal, but you cannot sprout it. Can you think why? Or we can say we cannot sprout masoor dal, why? Both are same question. We cannot sprout dal because spilt dal does not have bud, which sprout in presence of water and air and suitable temperature. Next question, how do seeds spread to far off places? This one also we have discussed in the explanation in the chapter. Seeds spread to far off places by following ways: by air, by water, by birds, by animals, and by humans for farming. Farming also one more example of by human. Nowadays you all eat mangoes and you throw the seeds of mango here and there. It is also seed dispersal or seed spread. Next question, how does the soybean seeds spread? When the soybean pods are ripe, they burst and seeds are thrown out. We gave the example of pea in the next chapter. Just like soybean pods also, when they are ripe, जब वो पक जाते हैं तो क्या हो जाती है, उसकी जो बाहर की वो खाल होती है वो ब्रस्ट हो जाती है और सीड्स क्या हो जाते हैं, इधर उधर बिखर जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम सम सीड्स दैट कैन फ्लाई. कुछ ऐसे सीड्स के नाम बताइए जो उड़ सकते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. लाइट वेट जो सीड्स होंगे दे कैन फ्लाई. नेम्स ऑफ सम सीड्स दैट कैन फ्लाई आर एज फॉलोज. फर्स्ट इज dandelion seeds, second swan plant seeds, third cottonwood seeds, fourth curry, fifth maple tree seeds. This one is the last question. Here we complete our chapter. On Thursday we will meet in the next chapter, your chapter 6. Do this exercise in your notebook, and when you complete your work, you can send your work in my WhatsApp number. I will check. Thank you. Have a nice day.